Hello mga langga, dako kay ngisi si auntie mga langga o kay nakalaslaag gid mga langga o na napud sa nga bata mga langga tan-awa naglakaw-lakaw ginindot kay mga lights mga langga no. Sus nindot kay ang kinabuhi mga langga kay nakalaag na gyud na taw ni inyong auntie mga langga bisan og walay amahan diri kami lang.
Hello, we're in the Lantern Festival. We're gonna explore some more there and there. Come on, let's explore this. Like seaweed and a flower. A pink fish. Imagine you cook it. And dried fish.
Dried fish.
And look, this is like a poisonous flower.
Oh really?
Yeah. And this is the stonefish.
Don't touch ha.
This
You know
is
that.
stonefish.
It's not allowed to touch. Okay, you go there.
And there's like that thing there. I don't know what's that mean. So like in a cookie. Look at the stonefish. If you step in it, you're gonna die because they have poison. And this is another fish. Seaweed, flower, flower, and the fish. I don't know what's that. They're balloons.
No, it's a flower, it's a tulips I think.
Okay, guys, let's explore there. It's like a mouse. That. It's a koala. And this is a monkey. Flower. I will show you the candy land. Guys, I will show you the candy land. Guys, this is the lantern tree. Come on, let's see the candy land. It's like a diamond. Oh my god, look this. And that has this, a diamond. Oh, where's the candy land? There's mushrooms. So many mushrooms. And there's a giraffe. And there is a... Oh. Voila.
Ganito.